Hi, we're going to learn how to use the snipping tool to save an image from a website that you can submit in Canvas for an assignment. First, you need to figure out where you want to save it. So today we're going to make a folder on the desktop. To make a folder on your desktop, you need to right-click in an empty area. A right-click on the touchpad is the bottom right corner of the touchpad. So you move your mouse to an empty spot on your desktop, not on top of an icon, but the empty space. Right-click and select New, and then Folder. This creates a new folder. The title is automatically highlighted, so I can tap Delete on my keyboard and type a new name. I'm going to call this one Math. And I click outside of the folder. Once I've clicked outside of it, I can move it around. I can put it wherever I want. Next, we're going to open up the snipping tool, and we're going to save it to our taskbar, so it's easy to find later. To find it, click down in the field where it says Type here to search. Type an S for scissors, and then N as in nice, and the snipping tool has popped up. The computer has found it in your apps list. Now, I'm not going to just click on it to open it because I want to put it onto my taskbar to make it very easy to get to from now on. So I'm going to right-click again on the name Snipping Tool and select. Now mine is already pinned to the taskbar. Yours will look like this. Pin to taskbar. Once you've pinned it, it shows up down here on your taskbar, then you've done it correctly. To open it from your taskbar, simply click on the little scissors icon, and now you can open your snipping tool. To make a snip, click New, then click and drag to select the area. Once you've made your snip selection, click File and Save As, or my favorite way to save, because it's a little shorter, it's only one click, is to click the floppy disk icon. Either way, it will ask you where you want to save this. Now mine is defaulting to desktop, but yours probably is on your pictures, or maybe your OneDrive or your documents. So wherever your folder is at, you want to instead click on desktop and find your math folder that you made. Click twice to open it, or click once and open. And then we want to rename this. We don't want to call it capture. So if our assignment is multiplying integers, we could call it multiplying integers. And now click Save. Now I can close my snipping tool because I'm done with it. And I can see in my math folder that I have the image that I just saved called multiplying integers. If I don't need this image, for example, this is my practice image, it's not my actual assignment that I'm going to turn in, I can click once to select so that it's blue, and then all I have to do is tap the delete button on my keyboard, tap, and it gets deleted. So that is how you use the snipping tool to save an image into a folder that you can submit in a Canvas assignment.